Before this story begins, look at a pencil for just a moment. Something so small, so ordinary, and yet it carries 5 powerful lessons about life. Lessons we often forget while chasing everything else. This is not just a story about a pencil, it's a story about you. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived an old pencil maker. Every time when he put the pencil into its box, he held the pencil and spoke gently. If you remember these 5 important rules, you will become the best pencil you can be. Number 1. The hand. You will be able to do many great things, but only if you allow yourself to be held in someone's hand. Number 2. The sharpening. You will experience a painful sharpening from time to time. It will hurt, but you need it to become a better pencil. Number 3. The eraser. You will have the ability to correct any mistakes you might make. Nothing is permanent. Number 4. The inside. The most important part of you will always be what is on the inside, not your wooden shell. Number 5. The mark. No matter what surface you are on, whether it's rough or smooth, you must leave your mark. You must continue to write, no matter how hard the journey gets. The pencil understood. It promised to remember these rules and went into the box with a purpose in its heart. Now, replace the pencil with yourself. We all need a hand to guide us, friends, family, or mentors. We are not meant to do this alone. The sharpening is the hard times we face. Problems don't come to destroy us. They come to make us sharp and ready for the next challenge. The eraser reminds us that making a mistake isn't the end. It's just a chance to start the sentence over. The inside is your character. People see your face, but it is your soul and heart that actually change the world. And finally, no matter how difficult life feels, you must keep going. You were born to leave a mark that only you can leave. Remember, friends, you are a pencil in the hand of the Creator. Don't worry about how much of you is left. Worry about the beauty of what you are writing. Thanks for watching. For more life-changing stories, like and subscribe The Literal Tales.